Hello everyone, welcome to the Market Microstructure lecture series. In this videos, we're gonna actually start with the simple concepts and we're gonna go to the more complex concepts. Want to make sure we don't skip anything. Hopefully by the end of the series, you're gonna become really expert. In this video, we're gonna cover order book. So what is order book? Order book basically just shows you all the orders that are currently on the book for specific security. So there are two sides, right? There is an ask side, meaning like at what price people are asking for each share. Same thing you can think of like, at what price they're willing to sell, right? Say in this case, right, like best price we get here is $101. And the bid side is what people are betting, right? What they're trying to buy at what price, right? And say here's $100, right? So as we can see, people want to buy at 100 and they're only willing to sell at 101, right? So there is a difference of $1, right? $1 difference. And so that difference is actually called the bid-ask spread, because this is spread between ask and bid, right? And usually this is like pretty high. In the actual exchange, it could be like a few pennies, right? Maybe a cent for a very liquid instrument. And then you can see there are some other players, right, that are only willing to sell more, right? So why did I make this line very fat and everything else tiny, right? Some people may think, oh, it's just the best price, that's why, right? In reality, what I meant to emphasize is actually that this is the best bid and offer, right? You can think there's this term called national best bid and offer. It's basically at what price there is at least one lot available. And usually a lot is 100 shares. This is going to change in November of 2025, depending on the price of security. But for now, think about lot as 100 shares, right? So we're trying to say here is that, okay, on the ask side, right, there are people willing to sell at the 101, at least 100 shares or more, right? So if you need to buy 100 shares, you know that you can get filled at 101, right, at 100. Same thing on the bid side, right? You know that you can, the people are trying to bid to buy 100 shares at the 100, right? So if you want to sell 100, you get. What that means, there's actually could be price, right? Even better price, but the number of shares might be smaller, right? So let's say there could be somebody selling, let's say willing to sell at $100.50, right? But they're only willing to sell for, let's say, 5 shares, right? So you cannot get the full lot, but you get the 5 shares, right? So this is what some people call best price, actually, and this one right here is BBO, right? All right, I hope you guys like this video. I hope this is enough for the first lecture. Please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if I missed some crucial point here. Thank you.